When winter strikes, the right ice melt can make all the difference in keeping your home safe and accessible. But with so many options available, choosing the best ice melt can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll explore some of the top-rated products designed to quickly and efficiently tackle icy conditions. Let's dive into what makes the best ice melt stand out and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Snow Joe Premium Ice Melt. The Snow Joe Premium Ice Melt is an excellent choice for those who prioritize safety and eco-friendliness without compromising effectiveness. This ice melt is specially formulated with calcium magnesium acetate, delivering powerful de-icing performance while being safe for pets, plants, and the environment. It's an ideal solution for keeping driveways and sidewalks clear during winter without worrying about harmful residues or corrosion. With its fast-acting formula, this dicer starts working immediately upon contact. Even in freezing temperatures as low as -12 degrees Fahrenheit, its time-released mechanism ensures long-lasting traction control, reducing the risk of ice buildup when used as a pre-treatment. This product also stands out for being gentle on metal surfaces, making it a reliable choice for households with vehicles or outdoor equipment. What sets the Snow Joe dicer apart is its thoughtful design. The included bonus scooper makes application effortless, and the product is conveniently boxed for easy transport. While it may lack some advanced melting features found in premium options, it strikes the perfect balance between effectiveness and environmental responsibility. For pet owners and environmentally conscious users, the Snow Joe Pet-Friendly Dicer is a dependable, worry-free solution for managing winter's icy challenges. Natural Rapport Ice Melt. The Natural Rapport Pet-Friendly Ice Melt is a standout choice for those seeking an effective yet eco-conscious dicing solution. Made in the USA, this calcium chloride-free formula is designed to prioritize the safety of pets, children, and your surroundings. Its unique composition ensures that it's gentler on paws and safer for indoor surfaces, such as carpets and tiles, when tracked inside. This ice melt works fast with a time-release formula that keeps surfaces clear of ice for up to 3 times longer than standard alternatives. Thanks to Protect RX technology, it reduces corrosion rates by 75%, making it ideal for driveways, sidewalks, and even delicate surfaces like wood or metal. The environmentally friendly design also minimizes harm to lawns, trees, and other vegetation, promoting long-term care for your property. Ease of use is another highlight. The included no-shake cap allows precise application, while the green-colored crystals ensure even coverage and prevent waste. With up to 25% more product per jug than competitors, it offers excellent value. For those seeking a safe, efficient, and environmentally mindful alternative to traditional dicers, the Natural Rapport Pet-Friendly Ice Melt delivers exceptional performance without compromise. Harris Kind Melt Ice Melter. The Harris Kind Melt Pet-Friendly Ice Melter stands out as a top-tier choice for winter de-icing, combining safety, effectiveness, and eco-conscious design. Featuring a 100% magnesium chloride formula, it ensures pet safety by avoiding harsh chemicals that could irritate paws or cause harm. The round pellet design eliminates sharp edges, making it gentle on furry friends and perfect for households with pets. This dicer is remarkably fast-acting, instantly melting ice on driveways, sidewalks, patios, and more. Its performance remains reliable in temperatures as low as -13 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a dependable option even during severe winters. The formula is less corrosive than traditional rock salt or calcium chloride, offering better protection for concrete surfaces, vehicles, and metal equipment. One of its standout features is its environmentally friendly profile. The product is OMRI listed for organic use, ensuring it's kinder to lawns, plants, and the surrounding environment. Additionally, the included scoop simplifies application, allowing precise and efficient spreading. While priced slightly higher than basic alternatives, the Harris Kind Melt delivers exceptional value by combining pet-friendly safety, long-lasting effectiveness, and eco-conscious benefits. For anyone seeking a premium, responsible solution for icy conditions, this product is an excellent choice. Roadrunner Premium Ice Melter. The Roadrunner Premium Ice Melter offers a perfect balance of effectiveness and environmental safety, making it an excellent choice for managing winter's challenges. This ice melter begins working on contact, quickly breaking down ice and snow for improved safety on driveways, sidewalks, and patios. Its ability to perform in temperatures as low as -15 degrees Fahrenheit ensures reliable results, even in the harshest winter conditions. A standout feature of the Roadrunner is its safety profile. It's gentle on concrete, reducing the risk of damage or wear, And its environmentally friendly formula minimizes harm to vegetation, making it a great option for households with gardens or lawns. The colorless, odorless composition ensures a clean application without unpleasant chemical smells or unsightly residues. Packaged in convenient 12-pound bags, it's easy to store and apply, offering excellent coverage for both residential and light commercial use. While it lacks some of the pet-specific features seen in other products, its rust-resistant formula provides added reassurance for use around vehicles and tools. For those seeking an effective, eco-conscious solution, the Roadrunner Premium Ice Melter delivers reliable performance and outstanding value. Entry Snow and Ice Melt. The Entry Snow and Ice Melt sets a new standard for eco-conscious de-icing, combining exceptional performance with safety for pets, plants, and delicate surfaces. Unlike traditional granular ice melts, this liquid formulation is residue-free, eliminating the mess and damage often left behind on floors and surfaces. With its neutral pH, it protects high-value flooring like marble and hardwood, making it a standout option for both residential and commercial spaces. What truly distinguishes Entry is its chloride-free, non-toxic composition. Safe for pets, plants, sidewalks, and metals, this product offers peace of mind for environmentally conscious users. Its powerful formula works in temperatures as low as 0 degrees Fahrenheit, melting snow and ice within 30 seconds, and preventing refreezing for extended safety. Ease of use is another strong point. 1 gallon provides coverage equivalent to 100 pounds of granular alternatives, saving time and effort. Its unlimited shelf life ensures long-term value, while the liquid application guarantees uniform coverage and quicker results. Designed for those who value sustainability without compromising effectiveness, Entry provides superior protection and convenience. Though it comes at a premium price, its performance, safety, and environmental benefits make it a worthwhile investment for safer, cleaner winter conditions.